Wondering, hey, maybe we should get out of Dodge in this heat. Where could we go? Well, Bay Area certainly. State Fair is going to be hot.
Yeah.
Tahoe, that's not really an escape, right, Nick?
No, heat advisories there near record highs into the 90s, even for South Lake Tahoe, which is just amazing to see the warmth up there. But if you're heading out maybe to one-up Curtis and win another emoji, there you go. This evening, 8 o'clock, temperatures start to cool down a little bit. Not much. Very slow to back off here this evening for the State Fair. Tomorrow's going to be even hotter, though. Look at the temperatures for Sacramento County tomorrow. 110. This is going to be a new record if we manage to reach 110 tomorrow. Elk Grove at 108 degrees. Lots of sunshine. Further to the west here into much of Yolo and Solana counties, temperatures well up to the 100s, even down to Fairfield. We'll be seeing highs into the triple digits. To the north, into Sutter County, Colusa County, temperatures one of the warmer spots. Marysville at 111 degrees. Live Oak at 109. 100s also in place for Pelumas County. So you can see the heat in place for much of the higher elevations. The air mass will be very dry through the day tomorrow and not much wind at all, less than 5 miles per hour. Colfax about 102, Forest Hill 100 degrees. So the foothills, I think, will have the greatest impact. And it's not because you're going to be hotter than anybody else. At night you will be. And that's why you don't get as much relief during the overnight hours, which is why the heat poses more of a risk for those sensitive to the heat up there in the foothills. Pollock Pines at 100 degrees for El Dorado County. And then as you work your way south into Calaveras all the way down to Tuolumne County, you can see the temps well into the 100s from Arnold down to the lower elevations. Bear Valley at 90 degrees for a high. Down to the San Joaquin Valley, temperatures into the triple digits. 108 for Stockton and in Modesto. So a lot of heat that is with us, not just for tomorrow, but Sunday. Very similar when it comes to those high temperatures. That ridge of high pressure briefly starts to drift to the east. What that means for us, it means our temperatures will start to go down into the 90s. It's going to feel nice. We have a slight breeze also off the Delta Tuesday and Wednesday. You'll notice that with this pattern. But later next week, that same ridge builds back to the west, and that will result in a return to triple-digit heat. Here's your forecast for the week ahead. Saturday, Sunday, of course, First Alert Action Days just because of how hot it is. And I'll break down Sunday a bit more. 109 for Sacramento, but again, some of the warmer spots, especially north into the Sacramento Valley, will be into the 1-teens. 101 Pollock Pines, and then 104 Monday, still hot, and then see the dip of temperatures for we're back up near 100 by the end of this week. And then for the foothills, temperatures staying into the triple digits this weekend. You'll be cooling down quite a bit by Wednesday. For the Sierra, can't rule out an isolated dry thunderstorm come Monday, so we start to pull in a little bit of moisture in place. We'll have to watch for that. Otherwise, the heat, that's our big story. Sarah, over to you.